Welcome, photographer friend. Here is the correct and most effective way to lubricate a Helios lens. This is the original method which was used in the KMZ and other Soviet factories during the manufacturing process. First of all, you have to prepare the lens. Make sure there are no surface contaminations and both lens caps are removed. Also prepare the lubricant material. The best way is to do the treatment with an approximately 80 Celsius degree machine oil, also called white oil. Spices will not be needed now. Security first. Never touch the heated oil with your hands. Use a tool to put the lens into the oil. 10 or 20 seconds is usually enough to get the whole lens lubricated. After the lubrication process, thoroughly dry the lens with a cloth or paper and give some time to let the excess drip out. After that you can use the lens, and it will be like a new one. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget, never try it at home.